Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I present to you the Encon Georgian. Polished brass with the gloss cherry blades, reversible white on the top, a Victorian faceplate copy, and Encon pull chain fob. I gotta look back at the date sticker to see when this fan is from. I can do that now. I got my step stool with me. See if it's up here. I know it's on this sticker. See if I can back it up. There it is. April of 1997 is when this fan was made. I got this fan at my local Goodwill. Alright, focus. There we go. I'm assuming it was new in box, but it did not come with a light kit, so I don't know if the box was, or the fan was tampered with, and someone took the light out. But I put this fan up in place of the design house because it's having bearing issues. This is pretty much a room I've tried multiple fans at, because I've tried that Summer Breeze right there. I've tried many fans in this room. The light kit's not original to the fan. I'm pretty sure it's an Encon light kit though, because it came on my Encon Casanova Deluxe, this light kit. So I'm pretty sure this is an original Encon light kit. Have it on reverse. Very buzzy though. The main reason I have it on reverse because it won't move air properly on downdraft due to this little wall thing right here. So when I have on updraft, the air just goes up as normal, and then it'll just go straight down from here, bringing the air straight down like normal on downdraft. Not really much to say about this fan. I just got it because, well, I won't necessarily say I love Encons. I mean, I like collecting Encon ceiling fans. I didn't expect myself to have 3 Encon ceiling fans. Yeah, it's a very buzzy fan. I can definitely feel some air though. Recently had this fan on a test rig outside. It was pretty badly with the down rod, so I just decided to flush mount it and put it in this room. Cause this is pretty much my mom's bakery room now, so I decided to give it a fan a little more nicer looking than that. This does get the job done for air movement. Because for some reason this fan doesn't mess up its air movement when it's in downdraft. Definitely feel like Bridgman's fan though. I would say I do love the thin motor housing. This fan is for a fly blade adaptable. It has it on this 5-blade configuration right now, as you can see. And definitely moving some air. You can feel it from back here. You can definitely hear that hum now. Definitely not bedroom quiet for a fan. Every fan I've had in here hums for some reason. Well, the design house really didn't hum a lot though, but the past fan hum a lot. Definitely hear that hum. talk about this fan's bedroom quiet, please. But definitely some nice air. I'm feeling. Definitely moving around the air that's stuck in the ceiling. Yeah, spin down. I must say that I do like the pull chains in these Encon fans. They're like really easy to pull. Unlike normal 100 ceiling fan nowadays. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean about how the air movement messes up on downdraft after spin down. I typically don't like fans with these blade irons because it makes it look like cheap, like a Walmart Impressions ceiling fan. But that's not one of them. This is an Encon. I think I said I have 3 Encons. I meant to say I have 2. I only have the Encon Casanova than this one.